Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to enter the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device and you are having this type of issue, your payment method was declined. So then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of problem while entering the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here you have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here we have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then scroll down and tap on general, then scroll it down and then tap on soft update here. Then after that, here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, go back and here you will have to again open setting, again tap on general, then scroll it down and here we have to tap on language and region. And here make sure that your Apple ID region and your iPhone device region should be same. So your Apple ID region and your device region should be same. These should not be different. Then after that, go back and here make sure that your iPhone device is not connected with VPN. If you're connected with VPN, then here we have to disconnect with VPN. And then after that, here we have to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here tap on your Apple ID profile. Again tap on your Apple ID. So after that, you will see this type of interface here. You will have to scroll it up, then here tap on change country or region here. So after that, again wait a while here, it's processing. Then tap on change country or region here. So after that, here you will have to select your own country where you are living. So here I'm going to select my own country. You will have to select your country. So after that, here wait a while, then these are the terms and conditions. So these are the terms and conditions. You will have to read all these terms and conditions, and if you agree with these terms and conditions, here you will have to tap on agree. So after that, here you will have to enter your payment method. Here you will have to enter your debit or credit card numbers. Then here you will have to enter your expiry date. Make sure that the expiry month should be of 2 digits and expiry year should be of 4 digits. Then here below you will have to enter the 3-digit security code that will be mentioned on the back side of your debit or credit card. Then after that, here scroll it up. Then here you will have to enter the billing address. After that, here you will have to tap on next. Then after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to enter the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.